Hello everyone, in this video we are going to make a simple WhatsApp automation tool using Python. So in 2 lines of Python code we are going to make a WhatsApp automation system using Python. So let's jump into the video. To make this happen you need Python installed in your PC. If you don't have Python you can download Python from python.org and install it, and I am using the PyCharm IDE for making this video. If you don't have PyCharm you have to download, or you can use any other IDE if you are familiar with the Python language. Okay, I already wrote a blog about this and you can get all the codes from my blog. I will give the link in the video description and the first comment so you can get it from there. I'm going to open my code editor and creating a new project, and what I'm going to name it as WhatsApp. And click create. And just remove this, and now we have to install a dependency called PyWhatKit. So open the terminal, you can find that here, and pip install PyWhatKit. It takes a few seconds to install. Once it installed, you can copy the code from my blog. Okay, we are importing PyWhatKit and we are using this sendWhatMessage function to schedule a message. So here I am going to add my mobile number and adding my message, hello world. Here you have to add the time when the message should trigger. So here we can set the time like in 24 hours. So the current time is 7:03 p.m. and I'm setting to 7:05 p.m. and just running the code. This will open the web.whatsapp within 54 seconds. After 20 seconds it will send the message. So I'm opening my browser and just waiting. You can see the message is successfully submitted automatically. Hope you like this video, and if you are interested to watch how to make an audiobook using Python, you can find the video somewhere over here. Or if you want more videos like this, please make sure to subscribe to this channel.